Ever wonder just how different redheads are from their brunette and blonde counterparts? Though science may not be able to prove whether or not this rare population has souls, we can use science to help us find an answer to many other questions posed about redheads in the recent past. Redheads for years have been acknowledged as unique and rare, but for a long time this was only in regards to physical characteristics. It has been proposed on multiple occasions by redheads themselves that there may be a possible link between hair color and resistance to anesthetics. And studies also show that redheads are more susceptible to temperature-related pain, experiencing cold pain at a temperature approximately 11 degrees warmer than brunettes or blondes. Studies done in the 1990s revealed the link between the MC1R gene and these occurrences of elevated pain in redheads. And further research revealed that the mutation resulted in an overproduction of pheomelanin and an underproduction of eumelanin. Findings such as this obviously opened a lot of windows in science, but it wasn't until a 2004 study done at the University of Louisville that these explanations finally began to fall into place. The study involved the use of electric shock, and test results showed that redheads needed an average of 20% more anesthesia than the brunette test subjects. After these tests were conducted, scientists were able to pose several explanations to why redheads experience more pain than other people. The first explanation was that the same mutation that causes an overproduction of pheomelanin also causes an overproduction of a hormone that stimulates brain receptors, making them more sensitive to pain. A second explanation posed is that the mutation of the MC1R gene makes it improbable that the melanin will have a receptor site to bind to, and therefore it will seek out similar receptors, such as the brain's pain receptors, to bind to. This misfit could overstimulate those receptors and cause a heightened pain sensitivity. Both of these explanations provide a viable answer to the question of why redheads need more anesthesia to stay unconscious, and also why they are more sensitive to pain. Scientists are hopeful that these developments will help in future studies to identify specific prescriptions on a person-to-person basis. Prior to these experiments, scientists were unable to identify which genes may be responsible for a body's reaction to a given drug.